Wow, Itel has come again. This is the Itel A05s. So take a look at it. This is the same design that comes with the previous Itel A60. Not even that, it comes with a leather bag design. So if you're looking for a budget smartphone that will cost you not less than 100,000 naira, I might recommend you to go for the Itel A05s. The current price is 70,000 naira, which is equivalent to $87 if you use the official conversion rate. This phone comes with 4GB of RAM, then you can expand to another 4GB of RAM, making it 8GB of RAM with 64GB internal storage. Not even that, it is built on Android 13 Go edition. Please, as you are watching, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on that notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I drop a new video. Let's talk about other things. As for the unboxing experience, the first thing we see is the phone. The next item is the bumper case, followed by the 10-watt charger, a Type-C USB cable, a pair of earpiece. Finally, the SIM reject pin. Another aspect that wasn't impress me is the battery capacity. It comes with 4000 mAh battery, and the battery will not last as longer as the usually 5000 mAh battery are used to. Another aspect is that it comes with 10-watt fast charging. That might take a longer time to charge up this device from 0 to 100%. So that wasn't impress me. Let's talk about other things. The space of this phone is one reason why I recommend it for under budget users. The second reason why this phone is worth consideration is the design. It comes with 3 colors and they all look awesome. The back and the frame is made with plastic material, but the back has a leather look. Take a look at the back. You will see the 2 camera bomb, the 8-megapixel main camera, and the other camera doesn't have a lens, and the LED flashlight. The last element at the back is the fingerprint scanner. At the bottom, you will see the microphone, the USB Type-C port, and the headphone jack, and lastly the speaker. The left side of the phone comes with a SIM tray that supports 2 nano SIM card with a space of SD card slot. Let's move to the camera aspect. This is some of the pictures taken with the Itel A05s. So tell me how the pictures look like. To be sincere, pictures taken with this device not so good. Because of what? It's because of the processor that is powered inside this phone. The portrait mode manages to handle focus, but when the overall quality of the images is below average, image focus becomes inconsequential. So that is by the way. Let's move to the night mode photos. This phone also supports low light mode and AI mode. The funniest part is that the pictures taken without the flashlight are brighter than those taken with the flash. This is so funny because the flashlight is there to brighten pictures. This phone also comes with the IPS LCD display. It has a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels. It responds so fast to touch without delay. The brightness level is very good. By my estimate, it can pick a brightness of 500 nits. It has this huge bezel all around the display, but nothing to worry about since other expensive phone has the same bezel size. Another thing I noticed on this device is the little delay you get before it performs an action. So this is a new phone. I might say that by the time more apps and more games are installed in this device, this phone will certainly lag. What I mean is that this phone will certainly run slow. Why did I say so? It's because of this phone is powered by UNOSOC SC9863A CPU. I think that is enough for today. Thanks for watching. If you find this video valuable and the effort I put when making this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on that notification bell. Catch you guys on next one. Peace out.